Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. I want to say a massive thank you to those of you guys who have been subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you a lot. It means so much. It helps us to grow. Thank you very much indeed. I want to show you what we got here. What we have here is HP Officejet X014. This printer is multifunctional, multitask, 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense that you can copy, scan and print from this gear. What we are going to do is to unbox this printer to help you to make informed choice. From what we can see here, this printer comes with 3 months ink trial included in this printer. You can cancel this service if you want or not, okay? And also this printer comes with 3 years warranty at no extra cost. The function is copy, print and scan. You can print, okay, you can load up to 60 sheets on this printer, okay, with a speed of up to 18 per minute, okay. And what you are going to do is to unbox this gear for you to see what is inside, helping you to make informed choice, okay. This printer is using ink cartridges, okay, 912 ink cartridges, black and 3 colors. What is inside here, from what we can see, is the information pack. Okay, this is HP Officejet 8010 series, okay, 8010 series, okay, 8014 to be precise, okay. And what we have here is the ink cartridges, 912 4 ink cartridges right here. From what we can see here is beautiful stuff. Now this is the power cable, 2-pin power cable, okay, and this is 3-pin power cable. So it really depends on your country. We normally use this 3-pin for UK use, but Germany and other European nations sometimes they use this one, okay. So and I like the packaging, beautiful stuff, nicely done. So I'm gonna take this. Nice, beautiful. From what we can see here, okay, so you save up to 70% on ink. This one comes with 3 months ink trial, okay, and this is front paper tray, okay. I'm gonna take it off to see what is inside this gear. Okay, here is the scanner. This is the scanner, so you stick your document on top of the scanner and select the function you want to do and it will do the job, okay. So you open it up this way, pull it right back, pull it right back for it to stand, and if you want to close it, you go gently. Okay, some printers, if you need to close, you need to close it, move it a bit backwards. Okay, so you move it backwards and close it gently, slowly, but this one you just need to open it up, and inside here you can see you load the ink cartridges right here, and also at the back here, if you have any paper jam, you check, bring this out to check for any paper jam. So the ink cartridges will go here. Once you plug this printer on, this ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle. If you have any paper jam, you check right here for any paper jam. Okay, you see how I brought out this cover. Okay, and make sure you close it once you're done. So open it up by lifting it. Okay, and the next thing I want to show you also, the paper tray is right here. But also, if you also have any paper jam, make sure you bring out this casket up and look over here for any paper jam or any debris as well. Okay, now this is the paper tray for this printer. Okay, to load it, you need to remove this. Once you remove it, okay, and this paper tray also, you can adjust it out. If you want to adjust the paper tray, you need to push right here to adjust it, the paper tray. Okay, so you can take this paper tray out. Okay, and what you need to do to adjust it, okay, you just need to press this down. Okay, adjust it a little bit and also push it. Okay, so if you see a push button here, okay, just press this lever to adjust this paper tray up and down. Okay, to extend it. So I'm gonna put it back right back in. Okay, now I'm going to put this printer on for us to see. What I can see is nice printer, beautiful stuff. Okay, so I'm going to plug this now. From the back here is the power cable where it goes. The power cable goes right here, so you stick it in. I also want to mention that this printer, you can connect it via USB cable, but unfortunately it doesn't come with the USB cable. So if you want to connect it in that way, you need to get one. I have USB cable at home. This is what it looks like. It's a universal. Basically, HP can use this, Canon can use it, Brothers can use, other printers, okay, can use this. So, but they don't normally send this with the printer. So it goes right in here, and this section goes to your laptop. But these days, if you connect this printer with your mobile device, which we are going to do, you don't need a USB cable. Okay, you don't need to move you don't need a cable if you connect it via your mobile device. So to connect this printer, what we need to do is, okay, first of all, connect it to the power socket. Okay, and put the socket on. Now on this printer, you can see the light came on straight away. You turn this printer on and off from right here. Okay, this is the on and off button for this printer. So this is on and off. Right now is we are waiting for this to go through the whole system, for the system to be on. Okay, then we'll go from there, connecting this printer. This is the unboxing of this gear. It's nice for office use, very smart, simple and productive gear. Okay, right now you can see it gives you the option for you to choose your language. Okay, what you have here is you select the language: English, Spain, Dutch, by moving this up and down. Okay, so using your arrow, move it up and down. Okay, you select particular language you want. Right now we are going back to English language. We live in United Kingdom. Okay, so you can go back, cancel, you go back. Okay, cancel. So what we're looking for right now is English language. So you move the arrow and cancel to select particular language you want. Here we go, English, confirm. Right now select the country: US, Canada or UK, United Kingdom. Click confirm. Okay, right now it's asking us to install the ink cartridges. You can see the Wi-Fi for this is flashing. This light here that is flashing is the blue light, is for Wi-Fi network, which we are going to connect as well. We're also going to install the ink cartridges for this printer, complete and load the alignment head. This is the full tour of this gear. This is HP Officejet 8014. Thank you. If you're happy for this tutorial, this unboxing, give this video a thumbs up. We share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. And this is HP Officejet. Thank you.